Welcome to Andaz Savannah, a chic urban retreat nestled in the heart of Savannah's historic district. Located on Ellis Square, this boutique hotel seamlessly blends contemporary design with southern charm, offering guests an unparalleled experience amidst the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Join us as we give you an inside look at our Andaz Deluxe Suite, the hotel's dining options, amenities, and nearby activities that make this hotel a great place to stay in this historic city. Upon entering, we were greeted by a bright and airy lobby that exudes a blend of modern design and southern charm. The space is adorned with contemporary furnishings and local artwork, offering a welcoming ambiance. Adjacent to the lobby is a cozy lounge area, perfect for relaxation or casual meetings. Let's make our way to our room on the third floor. Let's take a look at room 306. It's an ADA Andaz suite that was assigned to us. We didn't pick it, but this is what they gave us. So as soon as you walk in, there's a nice living room area with a small dining table for two. And over here, they have a bunch of snacks and drinks. And here's the menu for the items. These are complimentary. The coffee is complimentary. And the non-alcoholic stuff is complimentary as well inside this fridge. Now let's check out this nice little living room we have. And this couch, it has a pull-out sofa bed, so you can sleep a couple more people in here. There's a big screen TV. I mean, it looks like it would have a fireplace here, but it doesn't. Let's check out our balcony. Let's open up the French doors. It's rainy right now, so let's see what it looks like. There's a lot of restaurants and shops around here, which makes it really convenient. Let's go back inside to check out the bedroom. It also has French doors that open up. There's a big screen TV and another chair over there. Here's the king-size bed. Let's see if there's some plugs underneath the lamps. Yep, there's plugs on both lamps, so you can charge your devices. And here we have the small closet with a couple bathrobes, an ironing board, a safe, and a couple of slippers, which is nice. Now let's check out the bathroom. Pretty spacious bathroom. Has a single sink. And let's see what kind of products they use here. This is what they use at this hotel. There's a toilet and there's a hairdryer right above it. Here's the shower. And we have a nice bathtub here, which is really nice. So overall, it's a very nice suite here at the Andaz in Savannah, Georgia. "22 Square Restaurant and Bar" is the hotel's signature dining venue, open daily for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It offers a farm-to-table experience that highlights the flavors of the South with a modern twist. We opted to have breakfast here during our stay, and the food was surprisingly good. The Andaz shrimp and grits was flavorful, but I suggest getting the cream sauce on the side since it was super salty. We also enjoyed this hot honey chicken and waffles, with the hot honey giving it a nice kick. On the healthier side, We had this large avocado toast, which was quite filling. Don't miss the 22 Square bar located just outside the restaurant. It offers craft cocktails inspired by Savannah's history, along with an impressive selection of local spirits, wines, and craft beers. The best part? Live performances in the evenings. Snacks and drinks for purchase are conveniently located by the lobby if you don't feel like heading outside. Let's check out the terrace rooftop here. So here's a fire pit where you can have your s'mores at night. Here's some cabanas here. Some tables and chairs to lounge in. And some more cabanas over here. And here's a small pool. This pool is heated, so you can swim even when it's cold outside. You can grab the complimentary s'mores kits by the lobby in the evening. Let's take a quick look at the small fitness center they have here. So it's mostly cardio machines. So here's a couple treadmills, an elliptical, a very nice Peloton rowing machine. There's a cable machine right there, a single bench, 3 Peloton bikes, and some free weights. It's a very small gym, but you can still work with it. It's pretty nice. Savannah is one of the most historic cities in the United States, and due to our limited time in the area, we opted for a 2-hour historic Savannah guided walking tour led by licensed professional guides from Noble Jones Tours. We highly recommend this tour company for the expertise of the guides and the plethora of historic sites we would have never discovered. For our second tour, we booked Gentile and Bard's Savannah Dark History and Ghost Encounter walking tour, which offers an immersive journey into the city's eerie past. This 2-hour guided experience combines storytelling with historical insights, leading participants through Savannah's most haunted locations. It was an interesting and spooky walk through the city streets, which was enhanced by the foggy and rainy night. We had a great experience with both tours and highly recommend them. If you are interested in booking these tours, I put up links in the description.
On the full skeleton body that was inside the wall in 1987.
Overall, we had a great stay at Andaz Savannah. We enjoyed relaxing at our spacious suite. All the staff were welcoming and friendly. Breakfast at 22 Square was good, and the rooftop terrace was a nice, unexpected surprise. The hotel's convenient location right in the heart of the city made getting around so easy. We were able to walk to all the sites, restaurants, and shops we wanted to check out. We highly recommend this hotel for couples and families who want to be in the middle of all the action. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.